Money currencies are different types of money used in countries around the world. The 5 major currencies we learned today are dollar, euro, pound, yen, and rupee. Each currency has its own symbol and name used for buying, selling, and trading internationally. Dollar is the official money of the United States. The symbol for dollar is the dollar sign, and its code is USD. When you see a price with dollar sign, it means American money. $1 can buy small things like coffee or snacks in America. Euro is the money used in many European countries like France, Germany, and Spain. The euro symbol is the euro sign, and its code is EUR. Euros are used for shopping, travel, and business across Europe. 1 euro equals 100 cents. Pound is the official currency of the United Kingdom, which includes England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The pound symbol is the pound sign, and its code is GBP. Pounds are used to buy houses, cars, and everyday items in Britain. Yen is the money used in Japan. The yen symbol is the yen sign, and its code is JPY. Japanese use yen to buy food, electronics, and train tickets. 1 yen is very small money, so prices often have thousands of yen. Rupee is the official currency of India. The rupee symbol is the rupee sign, and its code is INR. Indians use rupees to buy clothes, food, and movie tickets. 1 rupee equals 100 paisa. Here are all 5 currencies together. Dollar USD from America, Euro EUR from Europe, Pound GBP from Britain, Yen JPY from Japan, and Rupee INR from India. Each has a unique symbol you recognize instantly when traveling or shopping online. Remember these important currencies: dollar from USA, euro from Europe, pound from UK, yen from Japan, rupee from India. Knowing world currencies helps you understand prices, travel better, shop internationally, and talk about money confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.